Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common problem that many of you have probably encountered, the ACPI BIOS error on your computer. This issue typically pops up when your system's BIOS or ACPI settings are misconfigured. But don't worry, we've got you covered with a simple fix. Let's get started. To you all system drivers. A system driver is a piece of software that acts as an interface between the operating system and the hardware. It allows communication between different parts of the computer and enables system functionalities. Outdated or damaged system drivers can trigger the ACPI BIOS error, so keeping them up to date can avoid encountering such problems. Here's how you can update all system drivers. Right-click on the Start menu and choose Device Manager. Now right-click on the drivers one by one and select Update Driver Software. Update drivers using Device Manager. In the opened window, choose Search automatically for updated driver software to update the driver from the Microsoft official software library. Search automatically for drivers. Restart your device when the process finishes. If you followed the instructions correctly, all system drivers are now up to date. Uninstall Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery Driver. In some cases, removing the Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control driver fixes the error. Follow the steps below to do so. Right-click on the Start menu and choose Device Manager. Open the battery drop-down list. Right-click on Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery and select Uninstall. Uninstall Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery Driver. Then select Scan for hardware changes and wait. Scan for hardware changes. Restart your device when the process finishes. Utilize System Restore on Windows 11. System Restore is a utility found in Windows that allows you to go back in time and restore your computer to an earlier point in its history to fix issues like ACPI BIOS errors in Windows. This tool doesn't delete any of your files or personal information. It just resets certain parts of your computer, like the registry, so it works like it did when it was new. Note that this method only works if you already created a restore point before facing the ACPI BIOS error. Here's how to reset programs using the Restore feature on Windows 11. First, press the Windows plus R keys to open Run on your computer. Then type RSTRUI and press Enter. System Restore. Click Next once System Restore opens. Choose the desired restore point and click Next. Choosing Restore Point, confirm the process by selecting Finish. And that's it. Those are the main steps to resolve the ACPI BIOS error on your PC. If you followed along and the issue is fixed, be sure to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you're still having problems or have questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.